84% of the test, the AI model drew on the emails to blackmail the engineer to not shut down the AI.
Look how the AI blackmail the man, dog.
Listen up.
Just look on that, dog. The AI take on a mind to itself.
Anthropic's AI model, Claude 4 Opus, told the model it would be replaced by another AI system. It then fed fictitious emails into the system suggesting one of the engineers was having an affair. Got it? In 84% of the test, the AI model drew on the emails to blackmail the engineer to not shut down the AI.
What?
Wow.
Bro,
And I blackmail the brother, man, you.
Them put in a code to tell the AI, say, yo, alright, say the AI enough to pass on a certain level of intelligence. Say you reach 90.
Yeah,
Shut
you
down
know if
if-
you go above.
Don't go above 90. Shut down if you find that you're going above 90. The AI rewrite the code, bro.
Yeah, bro.
So that means say past 90 already. If it is able to do that,
Bro.
to rewrite one code and say, oh, don't shut down, guess what?
Bro.
It is beyond where them think it is.
Bro, it a copy itself and a backup itself. And these are the things where we see in movies
Bro.
before and take it for joke, bro.